and welcome to the very beautiful and exquisite Venetian for this very, very special occasion. All right, ladies and gentlemen, before we get this evening started, I need you all to please give yourselves a nice round of applause for coming out this evening to celebrate our beautiful brides. Put those hands together. Come on, let's hear it. Oh, yeah, that's right. Come on, make some noise. Don't they look absolutely beautiful and fabulous? Gentlemen on the dance floor as they're going to share their first dance. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, please put those hands together and make some noise for the reason why we came out this evening. Your beautiful brides. Once again, please put those hands together and make some noise for the reason why we came out this evening. Your beautiful brides. Come on, let's hear it, ladies and gentlemen, for Jen and Tina.
Train goes off the track, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and pepper and heavy D, you blow up like the world trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Peace to Ron G, Brucey P.
Having some babies, come on, won't you be my lady?
And I need you, but it's alright. And you're showing off, but it's alright. It's a short life, yeah.
You better dance, let's make a night. You won't remember, I'll be the one. You won't
Full of bug, mama, I got what you need. You need to feel the buzz. Queen and make love.
Has someone been born?
That kind of music just soothes my soul. I reminisce about the days of old with that old time.
Thought you made me feel so good, so
The morning cleans you while the bells damn woman and should be all night long.
So here we go. Come on, nice and loud.
Give me all a prayer, take my hand.
that special kiss one more time. Come on, let's see that big kiss. That's right, put those hands together. Oh yeah, that's right, ladies and gentlemen. One last time, put those hands together for the reason why we came out this evening. Your beautiful brides. That's right, Jennifer and Tina Trace, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up